Over the river and through the wood to grandfather's house we go. The horse knows the way to carry the sleigh through the white and drifted snow. Over the river and through the wood to grandfather's house away. We would not stop for dollar top, for 'tis Thanksgiving Day. Over the river and through the wood, oh how the wind does blow. It stings the toes and bites the nose as over the ground we go. Over the river and through the wood with clear blue winter sky. Dogs do bark and children hark as we go jingling by. Over the river and through the wood to have a first-rate play. Hear the bells ring, ting-a-ling-ding, hurrah for Thanksgiving Day. Over the river and through the wood, no matter for winds that blow, or if we get the sleigh upset into a bank of snow. Over the river and through the wood to see little John and Anne. We will kiss them all and play snowball and stay as long as we can. Over the river and through the wood, trot fast my dapple grays. Bring over the brown like a hunting hound, for 'tis Thanksgiving Day. Over the river and through the wood and straight through the barnyard gate. We seem to go extremely slow, it is so hard to wait. Over the river and through the wood, old Jowler hears our bells. He shakes his pow with a loud bow wow, and thus the news he tells. Over the river and through the wood, when grandmother sees us come, she will say, oh dear, the children are here, bring a pie for everyone. Over the river and through the wood, now grandmother's cap I spy. Hurrah for the fun, is the pudding done? Hurrah for the pumpkin pie.